In July of 2025, telescopes scanning the night sky from Hawaii, Chile, and South Africa spotted something moving impossibly fast through our solar system. It wasn't an asteroid. It wasn't a comet from around here. It was a visitor from another star system entirely, and only the third one humanity has ever confirmed. Astronomers gave it a strange name, 3I Atlas. The I stands for interstellar. This object does not belong to our sun. To understand how rare this is, consider this. In all of recorded history, we have only ever confirmed two other interstellar visitors before it. First, Oumuamua, was so strange that scientists argued for years about what it even was. The second was a comet named Borisov. Then came 3I Atlas, and almost immediately, astronomers realized this one was different and much, much bigger. 66 million years ago, an asteroid roughly 10 kilometers wide wiped out the dinosaurs. Early estimates suggest 3I Atlas could be twice that size, an interstellar object larger than the rock that ended an entire era on Earth. And it isn't just massive. It is moving at a staggering speed, several times faster than the fastest rockets ever built by humans. Nothing in our solar system moves quite like this. Most objects orbit the sun in long, curved paths. But 3I Atlas is different. Its trajectory is almost perfectly flat and straight, like it was fired from somewhere far away and never meant to stop here. It came from outside our solar system, and once it leaves, it will keep going forever, out into the darkness between the stars. As it passed near the sun, NASA's James Webb Space Telescope turned its instruments toward the visitor to study its chemistry. What it found surprised scientists. Methane, detected directly on an interstellar object for the very first time in human history. Alongside it, unusual amounts of carbon dioxide and water ice, a chemical fingerprint unlike anything from our own solar system. For most astronomers, this was thrilling evidence of a comet, just an unusually large, unusually fast, unusually interesting comet. But one Harvard physicist saw something else entirely in the data. Dr. Avi Loeb has spent years studying interstellar objects, ever since the strange shape of Oumuamua first caught his attention. When 3I Atlas appeared, he pointed to its size, its perfectly straight trajectory, and its strange chemistry, and asked a question few scientists dared to ask out loud. What if this wasn't a comet at all? What if it was a probe, sent by an intelligence far older than our own? Loeb referenced something called the dark forest hypothesis, the unsettling idea that civilizations stay silent because being noticed in the universe can be dangerous. His theory spread fast, splitting scientists into two camps almost overnight. Most astronomers pushed back immediately. To them, every measurement pointed to something explainable, a comet behaving exactly as physics predicts. NASA's own analysis described 3I Atlas simply as a dirty snowball, rich in ice and carbon dioxide, nothing more. Slowly, as more data came in, even Loeb began to shift his position, eventually admitting the object was most likely natural after all. But for a few strange months in 2026, the world quietly wondered if we had just watched something artificial pass by. 3I Atlas made its closest approach to Earth, still an almost unimaginable 170 million miles away. Then it continued on, racing back out into deep space, never to return, exactly as its straight-line path always suggested. We will likely never study it up close again. Whatever it truly was, it is already leaving us behind forever. Two interstellar visitors came before it. Scientists expect more will come after. So tell me, when the next one arrives, How would we ever really know what it is?